that is chapter of geography. Lesson number 5, Equatorial Forest. In this chapter, we are going to study about climate, plant life, wildlife, and human life of Equatorial Forest region. The Equatorial region falls in the torrid zone and lies on both sides of the equator. The region is hot and wet, and rainfall occurs along with thunderstorm in the afternoon 4 o'clock. They are also called as 4 o'clock showers. Plant life. As the region receives rainfall throughout the year, there is luxuriant growth of trees here. However, these trees grow, bear fruits and shed leaves during different times of the year. The name evergreen is given to this kind of forest. As you can see in the picture over here, it has varieties of trees, shrubs, bushes, and that is why it is also called as evergreen forest. Now this has more different layers in it. Let us learn about it. A typical feature of this region is that the forest has several layers. The lowest layer is the forest floor. You can see over here in the forest floor. Okay. This layer usually has decomposed leaves and fruits. It means the thing which has been falling from right up directly reaches on the ground and which has decomposed fruits and leaves. Then the layer about it is known as understory. It consists of small trees, shrubs, ferns, creepers and orchids. So over here, this layer is called as understory. Above this layer, the tall trees form an umbrella-like layer called canopy. As you can see over here, a bit taller trees over here which is forming in the shape of umbrella. Yes. The creepers and vine climbers, the tall trees too. And the tallest trees make the emergent layer. Over here, this part is called as emergent layer. This has the tallest trees. The trees in this layer receives a lot of sunlight and rain. So this is how it becomes evergreen forest. Now we'll study about the wildlife of Equatorial Forest region. The Equatorial Forest is a natural habitat for a variety of animals, birds and amphibians. Many animals and birds such as monkeys, chimpanzees, flying foxes, flying squirrels, etc. have been found here. The famous anaconda snake is found in the Amazon basin in South America. Human life. The equatorial regions have dense forests which hinder settlements. Life is very tough for tribal people who are settled here. Malaria is common illness in the region. Some of these tribes such as Simgans of Malaysia, Kubus of Sumatra and Pygmies of Congo Basin are found here. Most of them practice shifting agriculture. It means that they do farming for 2 to 3 years on a particular land, and when the land is not being much fertile, they move to the other area. Plantation agriculture was introduced by Europeans who sailed to these lands to trade in Southeast Asian countries and Africa. The main crops over here are tea, coffee, rubber and cocoa. A type of farming in which crops are grown on a large scale for commercial purpose. So even the farming was the large and commercial occupation over there. Through this method, crops are grown on a large scale for commercial purpose. Thank you.